Welcome to our factory. Join us as we show how premium sanitary pads are made, from raw materials to delivery.
Did you verify the batch numbers on these bales?
Yes, they match the manifest here.
Batch 7 looks good. The permeability is well within tolerance.
Agreed. We can sign off on the release.
Check the flow rate on auxiliary 3.
Looks steady. Water quality is optimal.
Adjusting the primary dial now, we should see the temperature regulate shortly.
Confirmed. The target is 28 degrees Celsius.
Pressure is spiking right here. We need to adjust the timing sequence immediately.
Okay, I'm reducing the T2 cycle now. It should stabilize the temperature. The throughput is slightly down on this batch.
Okay. Let me adjust the feeder tension here.
Check the adhesion on this batch.
Seems consistent with the standard.
The readout confirms the 5 Newton standard.
Good. The tactile inspection also felt consistent.
As you can see, the sterilization cycle is complete and the air quality is optimal according to the readings.
Seal looks good on this one. Check the lot number against the sheet. Everything looked good on that batch.
So far, the seals are holding tight. We should be ready for the shipment by 3.
We need to verify the temperature logs for this batch immediately.
The sensor data looks consistent on my end.
Okay, full compliance confirmed.
I found a tear on the back right here. Okay, put that in the reject bin. Make sure you log it on the clipboard.
Where do you want this pallet, boss?
Right here by the feminine hygiene aisle, thanks.
Looks like a big order.
Thank you for joining us. We're proud to deliver safe, high-quality sanitary pads made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.